Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. What's your name, man? Zach. Zach? Okay. So what all is in here for the equipment?
I got Terra 3K and 2 EVL 15s.
EVLs?
Yeah.
All right. Did you build the box?
No, it's my buddy's old box he had on his
Okay.
He just gave it to me because it was
nice.
already built for these subs, basically.
Listen, do you know what it's tuned to?
It peaks at 26 hertz.
26 hertz.
Yeah.
All right. And I see how you got it kind of built to the little platform for it in the back. So that's a good idea, so it doesn't move.
Yeah, we took all the seats out in the back.
Yeah, man. You took a lot of this out. It was flexing.
No, I got to redo my whole roof right here because it's flexing too much. It's making it rattle.
Okay. Awesome. Yeah, I'd love to hear it, man. Looks like a good built box too.
Oh, yeah.
And you got your amp back. What is the amp?
Terra 3K.
3K. HD. At 1 ohm?
Yep.
All right.
5 of them bitches cutting them out to you. I just spend it all, spend the night with you. But I got too much of it, I'm just a flight away.
That sounds good. You're welcome. Yes, sir. YouTube Jacob Viral. Yeah, I do cardio videos every day, checking out builds. Finger boot shot mine years, man. Sounds pretty good. I know you said you got the box from your friend, so.
Yeah, well, it's supposed to be tuned at 30, but with these suns, for some reason, it peaks at 26. It's low. I like it.
Yeah, I like the lows. Yes, sir. All right. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.